In this video I'm going to show you how to add background photo behind every Instagram story. So what you want to do is open up Instagram and let's say I want to post this and then I want to add an image over it. I need to go again to this screen, to click on the smiley face and go to the gallery icon and select any other photo. So let's say I want this one. If you long hold, you have like this rearranging the layers, and then I can make it bigger. Let's say I want this picture to be visible first, and that's pretty much it. You can remove this one, put it whatever, and this one I can make it bigger, smaller, and whatever. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.